Don't forget to like the video.
Welcome to the ABC Zoo. Let's meet all the amazing animals and learn our letters. Sing along with me.
A is for alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear with a big fluffy lap. C is for camel walking in the sand. D is for dolphin splashing on land. E is for elephant stomping around. F is for flamingo standing on one knee. G is for giraffe stretching tall as can be. H is for hippo rolling in the mud. I is for iguana climbing with a thud. J is for jaguar running oh so fast. Can you roll like a jaguar roll? K is for kangaroo hopping up high. L is for lion with a mighty sky high cry. M is for monkey swinging on a tree. N is for newt so tiny and free. O is for ostrich running fast and light. Yeah, they love the penguin while side to side. The Q is for quail, flapping wings so wide. R is for rabbit, hopping fast, don't blink. The S is for snake, sliding smooth and pink. T is for tiger, with stripes so bright. U is for Uriel, climbing up so high. V is for vulture, soaring in the sky. W is for walrus, whiskers oh so cool. X is for x-ray fish, swimming in a pool. Y is for yak, with fur so long. Z is for zebra, let's sing the final song. We learn our letters A to
Great
Z
job, everyone.
with animals
Your
in
ABC
the
Zoo
zoo
expert.